Hi, I'm Barry Feinman, creator of the Scratch Be Gone system. We're in this beautiful home to look at this remarkable ZLINE Range, which sadly has a number of scratches due to the removal of heavy grates during cleaning. So we have large little scratches as well, and some deeper scratches and lighter scratches. We're going to be able to remediate all of these with the Scratch Be Gone system. I went ahead and preloaded this particular pad with our workhorse pad, and our ultra shine chemistry is going to be applied to this, and we're going to be able to remove these scratches. Let's get started. So I'm going to add a little bit of the ultra shine chemistry just in this pattern here. You don't need too much chemical. We're going to go ahead and identify these scratches right in here, and I'm going to put since the grain is going in this direction, we're going to make our motion in this direction. And as you can see, all of these scratches are now part of history due to Scratch Be Gone on a ZLINE beautiful range.